on earth, the Kaaba. Every Muslim, from every corner of the world, turns their face toward this sacred house in prayer. The Kaaba was first built by Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him, and his son, Prophet Ismail, peace be upon him, under the command of Allah. This is not just a structure made of stone, it is the symbol of faith, unity, and love for Allah. Every year, millions of believers travel here to perform Hajj and Umrah, circling the Kaaba in deep devotion and tears. The Kaaba connects the hearts of all Muslims, no matter who they are or where they come from. It is said that peace fills the heart of anyone who looks upon it. The Kaaba, the first house of worship built for mankind, and the everlasting sign of Allah's mercy on earth.